we have got something very special. The unboxing of Dell Inspiron laptop, a premium mid-range device that you can buy for around 40,000 rupees. So we have got a black colored Dell laptop over here, and we'll bring you the unboxing pretty soon. The model is INSP3542 and the CPU and memory have been mentioned on the box's side. So let us begin the unboxing. So first thing is the laptop in a plastic covering. Let's keep that aside for the moment. Let's see what else we get. So here's the charger. In a separate plastic sheet, there's a charger port. And we get extra paperwork like this quick start guide and the warranty guides. And the bill. Let's see how the laptop looks like. So it's got a nice black textured top with the Dell logo, shiny Dell logo in the middle. It's got this covering to protect the keyboard from any dust. So it says Intel Inside Core i5, NVIDIA GeForce, and the extra connectivity displays over here. It's got a 15.6-inch HD display with built-in DVD drive, HDMI port, wireless Bluetooth, True Life display, and Waves Max audio. So it's got a nice 15.6-inch 1366 by 768 HD display and a backlit keyboard. It runs on the Core i5 4th generation 4210U processor, DDR3 4GB RAM, and a graphic card of 2GB by NVIDIA GeForce, the 820M. So on left side of the laptop we have the power port, power output, the fan, the HDMI port, the LAN port, USB 2 port, USB 3 port, and the audio jack. So on the right side it's got a card reader, another USB 2 and the DVD drive. So the keyboard does have extra numpad with arrow keys, and the power button rests on the top right. You have got a good palm resting area for the trackpad, which includes the left and the right button, and it does include a function key. The keyboard keys provide a good tactile feedback. The touchpad is fairly responsive, but there is no visual separation between the touchpad and the keys. So many a times your finger will run onto the keys without you knowing very well. The top of the laptop also attracts a lot of fingerprints, but a skin might be the solution to the problem. And finally, this battery indicator comes in really handy. All in all, the first impressions of this laptop are really good. So stay tuned for the full review of the Dell Inspiron 3542. We'll be coming up with the review in a few days. ATS signing out. Peace.